Every story has two sides. One you can see and one you need to understand. Above a quiet mountain village, hidden between the hills, there stood an old sanctuary. Far from everyone else, inside that place, there was a golden artifact. People used to say, "This is not just an object, it is hope." And there was a man named Kabir. He could not speak since childhood. He took care of the sanctuary, cleaning it, protecting it, taking care of everything. He never complained, never tried to explain himself. He spoke only with gestures and mostly stayed silent. People saw him every day but never truly understood him. The townspeople often whispered, "Why does he stay alone? Why is he so quiet?" Slowly, those whispers became opinions. Something feels strange about him. And once people decide something about someone, they stop seeing the truth. They only see what they already believe. One night, Kabir heard a strange sound near the sanctuary. He walked carefully, hiding in the dark, and then he saw them. Three men breaking the back wall. For a moment, everything became silent. What was the easiest choice? Walk away, ignore it, say, "This is not my problem." That would have been easy, safe. But Kabir didn't choose the easy path. He stayed. He watched carefully. And then he made a decision. Kabir understood one thing. If I do nothing, the artifact will be stolen. But fighting them directly, that was impossible. So he made a different choice. A choice that would look wrong, even if it was right. Quietly, without making a sound, he opened the sanctuary door, wrapped the artifact in cloth, and disappeared into the darkness. Not to steal it, but to protect it. Morning came. The sanctuary doors were open. The artifact was gone, and Kabir was missing. There was only one word people used that day: thief. No questions, no patience, only judgment. Days passed. People became more certain. We always knew he was hiding something. And this is what happens. When people believe a story, even the truth starts to feel weak. Kabir was not there to defend himself. And sometimes silence looked like guilt. 3 days later, just before sunset, Kabir returned. No anger, no fear, just calm silence. He slowly opened his bag. Inside, wrapped safely in cloth, the golden artifact was there. The crowd became silent. Kabir explained through gestures. They wanted to steal it. That is why I took it away. I stayed hidden until the danger was gone. Then he walked behind the sanctuary and showed everyone the broken wall. The truth was finally visible, clear, undeniable, and suddenly everything changed. The same people who once feared him now called him brave. Not everything you see is the truth, and not every quiet person is hiding something bad. Sometimes the person who looks guilty is actually protecting everyone. So next time, before judging someone, pause, wait for the full story, Because judging is easy, but understanding someone takes effort. If this story made you think, share it. Maybe someone else needs to hear this too. And if you enjoy emotional stories like this, don't forget to subscribe.